Picture this. You're excited to start house hunting and your agent slides a document across the table called a buyer brokerage agreement. Do you sign it without thinking, or should you be a little more cautious? Is it protecting you or locking you into something that you'll regret? Today, I'm breaking down exactly what a buyer brokerage agreement is, why agents use them, and what you should look for before you sign it. So what is a buyer brokerage agreement? A buyer brokerage agreement is a contract between you and your real estate agent. It spells out the terms of your working relationship, including what services the agent will provide and how they're going to get paid. In a nutshell, it makes things official. Instead of just shaking hands and hoping for the best, you both have a written understanding of expectations. And here's why agents use buyer brokerage agreements. Agents don't work for free. By signing a buyer brokerage agreement, you're showing that you're committed to working with them exclusively. It protects the agent's time and effort since they're spending many hours showing you homes, writing offers, and negotiating on your behalf. But the agreement isn't one-sided. It protects you too by clarifying exactly what you can expect from the agent in return. Not all agreements look the same, but here are some things that you will usually find. 1. Duration of the agreement, how long you're committing to work with the agent. This could be a few months or even longer. 2. Duties of the agent. What services your agent promises to provide, such as finding properties, scheduling showings, negotiating offers, and guiding you through the home buying process. 3. Exclusivity. Most agreements are exclusive, meaning you're agreeing to work only with that agent during the contract time. 4. Compensation. How the agent will be paid. In many cases, the seller covers the agent's commission, but the agreement should spell out what happens in the event that that is not the case. 5. Termination clause and the conditions under which you or the agent can end the agreement early. 6. State-specific items. Any additional clauses and disclosure required by state law where you're buying the property. Here's why it matters for buyers. Some home buyers worry that signing an agreement takes away their freedom, but the truth is it can actually give you more protection. Without an agreement, expectations are vague and misunderstandings can and will happen. With an agreement, you have a clear outline of what your agent is responsible for and what your obligations are as their client. It also ensures that your agent is fully invested in helping you because they know you're committed to them as well. Now, before putting pen to paper, take a few steps. Read the entire agreement carefully. Ask questions about anything you do not understand. Pay close attention to exclusivity, compensation, and the termination clause. And make sure you're comfortable with the length of the commitment. If something doesn't sit right, ask if it can be adjusted. A good agent will be willing to talk through the details. A buyer brokerage agreement is not just paperwork. It's a tool that sets expectations, builds trust, and protects you both and your agent. By understanding what is in it, you can sign with confidence and focus on the fun part, finding your new home. For more real estate and mortgage tips, visit mortgageresearch.com. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future updates. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. We would love to help. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your home buying journey.